Welcome guys. In this video we will take a look at the view tab of PowerPoint. Now the first option in the view tab is normal. Now this is the normal view, like here's our slides and here's the slide which we have selected. Okay, the full screen view. The second one is outline view. Now if I just click on this outline, it will show the outline of my all the slides. Okay, if I just click on fourth slide, okay, it will move us to the fourth slide. If I just click on the third slide, it will move as the third slide. Here it will also show what text I have written in that slide. Okay, this is our outline. The third one is slide sorter mode. Now here you will find all of the slides, okay, in your presentation. Now here you can move your slide. For example, if I want to move the second slide in third place, I will just drag this and put it here. Okay, I can even put it here. Okay, it's now up to me. Okay, now again you can do all this stuff here. Also, for example, you can just move this here, but it also gives you another feature using this slide sorter mode. The next one is notes page. Now here you can add notes to your slide. Okay, now you can also do that from here, but if you want to write longer note, you can just go to notes page, and here you can write the notes like transition, headline. Okay, the next thing here you see is reading mode. Okay, you can see your slides in reading mode also. Okay, it will open it in reading mode. Now it is not in slideshow mode, it is in reading mode, but still if you just click on arrow keys, it will change the slides. Okay, the next thing here you'll see is slide master. Okay, now what this slide master is, okay, first of all I'll select this one. If I just click on slide master, now here you will see all of your slides. Okay, all the slides which are available in the PowerPoint. Okay, if I just add anything to this slide, for example, if I add any image or any stuff to this slide, what I'll do, I'll go to insert and I'll click on shape, and I will add this arrow shape here. Okay, now what this slide master will do, it will add this arrow shape to all of my slides. Okay, so again, if I just go to my slide master and click on close master view, you will see here it is our arrow. Now in this way you can add logos and stuff which you want to add onto your slides. Okay, you can add your logo in this way. Go to slide master view. Okay, go to first view and then slide master, and then add your logo and stuff like that. Okay, once you have done, you have did all the changes. Okay, you can also add transition. You can just click on close master view. Okay, again you to view. The second thing is handout master. Okay, now here you can add your handout. For example, I can insert a text box here. Okay, I will click on text box and I will add a text box here. Okay, other thing here you can do, you can increase and decrease the size. Okay, I'll select this one. I will add, first of all click here, and then you can increase or decrease its size like this. Other thing here you can do, again, if I just go to my handout master, other thing here I can do, I can change the slide size. I can change it to standard 4:3. I can change it to widescreen. I can change the slide per page. I can select just 2 slides. Okay, now I'll move this text here. Okay, and now you can print out the handout and do stuff like that. You can add headers, date, footers, and page number here also. Okay, if you did any change to it, it will also apply to all of the slides. Okay, and if I just click on close master view, it will close this handout master view. Okay, the next thing here you'll see is notes master. If I just click on this notes master, here I can edit myself. For example, I can change the background of my notes. If I just select this and I select this here, I will just close this right now. Okay, now whenever I move to my notes page, you will see that the background will be that one which we have selected. Okay, the next thing here you'll see is we can add rulers. Okay, other thing, we can also add grid lines. We can also add guides. Okay, now these guides, using these guides we can add our stuff, we can arrange our stuff. Okay, we'll close all of these. Next thing, we can zoom into our stuff. Okay, if I just click on this zoom, we can zoom into 400%, 200%, 50%. If I just check this 50% mark, it will zoom out 50%. And again, if I just click on fit to window, it will fit this slide to our window. Other thing I can do, I can also add my custom zoom percentage. Okay, other thing here you can do, we can change our presentation to grayscale. Okay, currently this one is colored, and if I just select this grayscale, you see it is now black and white, and we have different shade of black and white. Okay, like this one. Okay, and again we can go back to our color view. The next thing here you can see is you can create a new window. Now you can open the same slide in two windows. Okay, if I just click this one, you can see now this is the second window. Okay, and if I just arrange this, I will click on arrange. You can see now both of the slides is open in one window, and I can just make this larger. Here I can also cascade this. I can decrease its size. Okay, I can move split. If I just check this mark, I can decrease the size of my slide. Okay, like this. I can make it much bigger. I can, if I want to see more of a slide areas, I can just increase its size. Okay, I can decrease it, and that's it. The next thing here, we can switch windows. Okay, we can change this to this one. Okay, which we already opened. Okay, now that's it for the view tab of PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.